Hello everyone, my name is Neha Danavle from Present India Institute and I am going to share this technical video on human tissue. In our body, our body is mainly consists of six levels of organization, in which the tissue is the one level of organization, and this tissue is mainly a group of cells with similar function and shape that term as a tissue. They uh, they form a cellular organization level, and it is a intermediate between the cell and organ system, and organs are then created by combining the functional group of this tissue. And in pathology, the study of tissue is known as histology, and the study of disease related to tissue is known as histopathology. And in animals, these tissues are mainly divided into four types. First one is connective tissue, then second is muscle tissue, then third one is nervous tissue, and fourth one is epithelial tissue. uh, mainly the Mainly our body is formed with the help of germ cell, and this germ cell has three layers, and these three layers is consist of ectoderm, which is the inner layer, ectoderm outer layer, and endoderm, which is the inner layer, and mesoderm, which is the middle layer. And endothelium is this endothelium mainly this endothelium tissue, or this epithelial tissue, is present in only single layer of cells that helps together, or that helps together with the help of tight junction. And they provide the semi-permeable membrane, which acts as a barrier between the uh, this epithelial tissue mainly acts as a barrier between the external environment and organs inside our body. The semi-permeable membrane mainly helps to permit some small molecules inside our body or outside our body. This tissue mainly covers our all surface of body, and mainly this epithelial tissue are present in our skin, airways, digestive tract, and also present on reproduct present on inner they also present in linings of inner organs also. Its main function is to provide the protection, secretion, excretion of some waste product, and absorption. This then this epithelial sorry then this connective tissue is connective, and muscle tissue is mainly derived from this mesoderm layer, and the nervous tissue is derived from ectoderm layer. The epithelial tissue is present in our body, has a which single layer of cell that mainly covers the all surface of our body, and they are connected with each other with the help of tight junction. And there is a semi permeable membrane present on epithelial tissue. That membrane only allows some small molecules in and out of body, mainly present in skin, reproductive tract, inner linings of digestive tract. And the cells mainly comprising uh, this uh, this epithelial tissue mainly protects our body from external environment, then also helps to excrete some waste material outside the body, which is collected from the cells. And third one is absorption. It helps to absorb some nutrients in lining of digestive tract. Then also uh, excretion. It excretes hormones, enzymes, and sweat also excrete with the help of some small pores present on epithelial tissue. uh, there are four functions. There are mainly four functions of epithelial: protection, secretion and secretion excretion, protection, and secretion. Okay, then this there are two types of epithelial tissue are present. First one is simple epithelial tissue and stratified epithelium. In simple epithelial tissue, simple squamous epithelium tissue, it is flat shaped cell, mainly present in single layer of cell, mainly single layer of cells, mainly that's main function of that simple squamous epithelial tissue is to provide the protection and absorption of nutrients, and present in uh, alveoli of lungs and lining of blood vessels. And then there is a uh, columnar cuboidal epithelium, cuboidal epithelium tissue, and simple columnar tissue. Mainly the function is protection and excretion, mainly present in kidney and bladder. And there is stratified epithelial tissue, mainly consists of more than two layers of cell, divided into three types: stratified squamous epithelium, stratified columnar and cuboidal epithelium. Main function is to excretion and present in male's urethra. And then there is a transverse epithelial tissue, which is a specialized cell, and that provides the which provides the flexibility and stretchability, and present in bladder and uterus, with the uterus, that helps in that contracts or relax if the, at time of pregnancy. And they also present in bladder, so it holds the urine, uh, that helps to hold the urine. And there is a connective tissue. Second one is connective tissue, which is mainly in liquid or mainly present in extracellular matrix. This matrix also liquid and rigid also present. There are some example like blood, which contains plasma, uh, which act as a matrix of the liquid connective tissue. And this uh, connective tissue mainly gives shape to the organs and holds them in place. There are some examples of connective tissue: blood, bones, ligaments, tendons. Then adipose tissue also present. This connective tissue is divided into three types. First one is fibrous connective tissue, then second is skeletal connective tissue, third one is fluid connective tissue. In fluid connective tissue, blood components are present. Blood comes. Then in skeleton connective tissue, bones, tendons and ligaments are comes. Then in fibrous connective tissue, adipose tissue are comes, which helps to restore the energy. Then muscle tissue are present. That muscles function is to mainly provide the flexibility, motion, or helps in movement of body within internal organs, and also helps to stretch our body. That muscle is form of contractile filaments, and also separate into three types: smooth muscle, skeletal muscle and cardiac muscle. In smooth muscle, mainly the smooth muscle are present in inner linings of stomach, then abdomen, and some other parts of body. Then there is a skeletal muscle mainly present the skeletal muscle mainly present on bones, which holds the bone, or which helps to contract when we require movement, or that helps to contract rapidly, and helps in movement also, mainly present on bones. And there is smooth muscle mainly found on uterus, walls of uterus, bladder, intestines, then esophagus also, then also inner lining of respiratory tract also. Then there is a cardiac muscle, mainly it is found in heart, that allows the contraction and relaxation of heart, that helps to pump the blood throughout our body. And there is a nervous tissue present in our body. That nervous system's function is to the main function of this, it is a main tissue of the system present in our body, mainly consists of brain and spinal cord, which is a central which is a part of central nervous system. And in peripheral nervous system, there are some neuronal tissue are present, and the cranial nerves are also present. The main function of this nervous tissue is to transmit the signal to the respective organ. And the nervous system helps to communicate between the uh, it is a communication this connective tissue helps to communicate between the two nerves, or the helps in um, helps the communication between nervous system. Its main function is to provide the signal, catch or transmit the signal uh, to the respective organ. And also responds to the stimuli in case of some injury or any uh, any situation, uh, any frightened situation. Then also transmit the information within body. That's all. Thank you.